Alright, we're going to do a little flow test here. We're going to do a flat bar flow test. And this is set up to run 78 millimeters a second on 78 MMS3 on the flow. So it's going to lay down 2 layers to start with. It starts about 200 millimeters a second, 15 MMS3 for 2 layers. And then the third layer, it's going to go right to 78 MMS3 in straight lines back and forth. So I kind of prefer this test over the racetrack test because I like my solid infill lines to be nice and flat. Otherwise it doesn't disrupt the next layers above. So printing flat like this is really important to me. And with the racetrack test you can't quite see you know what's going on. And so this is kind of what I use now. I'm just doing this to see what I can get away with on flow. And this is a 0.2 layer height. It's ABS. So it's going to do one more layer. It's going to do it 90 degrees to kind of clean that up, even though it looks nice. I want the next layers to crisscross the high speed layer. Alright, so it's going to start ripping. It's going to be 78 MMS3. I think it's around 820 millimeters a second. So this is a fail. Alright, so this is a fail. And let me grab another example. So this is 78. This is 70, and this is 64. And this one is 60. $60. $64, and you see a little bit of ripple right there. I think I see it in this one as well. It's barely. See? You can see something going on there, but okay. So 64. 60, 64, this is 70, 70.4 actually. So here's a 70.4. Now you can see it there, but it's not near as bad as what I had tested a few days ago. I was getting this at around 62, and then here's the 78. So the next layers on top of that are going to be whack. And it was cranking quite a bit in speed. So I'm going to do this test again at 0.3 layer height. And then I set it for volumetric speed. So I just put in the flow that I want, and it just determines the speed on its own. So anyway, so this is what I got so far. And the next I'm going to do a 0.3 layer height.